Let's look at some tickers that did do well today, like Nano Dimensions. Before I begin, I just want to say I am bullish and I see this company for long-term growth. This is not a short-term growth portfolio. I like to hold my companies 1 to 2 years. If I see a nice pattern, a very nice pattern to enter, I will try to enter and go long. So Nano Dimensions, Kathy Wood has been purchasing this stock at around $10 mark and about 11 million shares, and it was a huge rise up. Instead of selling, what she did is she still bought more. Okay, even to this day on April 20th, Kathy Wood has continued to buy the dip, is creating big walls. There are huge walls around the $6.50 mark, and she's trying to bring this wall to become a huge support. All right, so right now we're making a chart for Nano Dimensions. We're looking at the long-term big picture. Since 2016, Nano Dimensions has been on a negative run, okay, a huge negative run. This is about 8 years. From the birth of 3D printing to pretty much the death of 3D printing. This is known as going khalash, end of the world, okay? This is when, in Kingdom Hearts, when Sora loses his girlfriend, and you feel like, as a gamer, this is end of the world, this is what happened. From 2016 all the way down to 2020, Nano Dimension has been on this death run. However, recently in modern times, due to the advancement of space technology, for example, SpaceX and the International Space Station, 3D printing has come back alive. And perhaps Nano Dimensions will become a leader in the 3D printing industry. Stop. If you made it this far, take a deep breath, get some water, popcorn, and hit the red subscribe button. Let's continue the video now. However, after 2020, it marked the complete turnaround for Nano Dimensions. It had made its ultimate support bottom line. This could be a potential huge turnaround. These are long-term chart patterns. Look at this. We're making these lines based on the previous lows, okay? Now this is the Jesus candles that we're looking at. I call this the Jesus candle. They recently got a big acquisition. I'm gonna show you the acquisition. Nano Dimensions acquires machine learning, deep learning leader DeepCube, okay? This is a big common theme, guys. We like to invest based on machine learning ideas. For example, machine learning gaming leader, we believe could be Roblox. Machine learning surgery, Ascensus Surgical. LiDAR company, the leader of artificial intelligence and cars with laser technology. This is microvision. This is what we believe to be a leader, despite all the bad foo-foo news, beside all the fake news. These hedge funds are publishing fake news to get you to panic sell. Anyways, going with Nano Dimensions. Manufacturing, see, this is related to Nano Dimensions. They like doing 3D printing. So manufacturing, it helps with machine learning. You're able to predict what people want before they want it. Next level. DeepCube technology applies numerous patented breakthrough algorithms. Patented is a key word. It's good for long-term growth. Algorithms to improve data analysis and deployments of advanced deep learning based artificial intelligence systems. And drastically improves inference, look, prediction, performance, and real-time metrics. Boom. It helps you in the present and future. Its proprietary framework can be deployed on top of any hardware, especially fitting edge devices and real-time applications. Now, a lot of people will panic and they don't believe in a reversal. They'll say this is a big head fake right here. But Flash instincts were different. We do not think that this is just the end of Nano Dimensions. In fact, we think that this is a real reversal. Look at the chart. Look at the steps going upwards. Make your predictions as you see fit. Alright, so the next price targets that we want to, I would have a sell order if you wish to make money. You put a sell order at $24 in the next year. Okay, by the end of this year, you can probably, if you're doing call options, okay, do the long ones, big ones. Alright, if you don't believe what I'm telling you, do the opposite, man. Go for it. Okay, if you still believe that we're on a huge downturn and you don't see that we broke this, do the opposite, man. Okay, just go for it. Now, if you guys are long-term people and if you have longer, I would wait the year out for sure. It's less burden on you. If you want to wait a year, if you got in like around March, which is not bad. Okay, some people did. I would try to average down if I was on $10. If you're still below Nano Dimensions, whatever price it is, you're still good. You're great. Okay, this is good. This is real good. The 1st of November, You can have a price target of $31 for Nano Dimensions. You could have a low. These are buying entry points or buying points of around $16 of next year. These are really high lows, guys. I see higher highs and higher lows for this chart for the next 4 years, at least 4 years. We had we had an antichrist drop, a death drop, a nuclear bomb hit us. Okay, 6 to 7, 8 years, and now we're headed towards a better, higher highs. Okay, this is a very risky play, but very rewarding. Okay, right? Some people don't believe in this. Okay, but we do. We like what we're seeing. With that being said, I would have a sell order for, if I want some of my shares, at $30 at November. Next year of April, I'm looking at $38. Next year, December of 2022, $50. So what you can do is you can always take profits on these, right? Rebuy whenever you feel like you're comfortable. Guys, think about it. Nano Dimensions had an insane IPO. It was around $70, $60 range of IPO. Okay, this is the initial public offering, what people thought 3D printing was worth back then. This is the future. Now this International Space Station is interested. Now we're using deep learning, machine learning, next level technology to enhance 3D printing. It's only going uphill from now. We're only going forward. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to Flash Instincts for more insane chart patterns.